Drew Allum here with the Calgary Home Sale Channel, and we are inside a pre-renovation property in the northwest of Calgary in Hidden Valley. Now, properties like this, we tend to find for investors a lot of times off market. Sometimes we'll actually find them on the MLS as well. This one here was through another agent, but it was done privately. Now, if you've got something like this, as you see, there's some work that needs to be done. Walls are already down. That's just become too much work. We have investors who will pick this up and turn this into something really spectacular, which is really what we want to show you. So part of what I want to do here on the channel is show you what we have first, and then of course we take you in future videos to what they're going to turn into. So this 3-bedroom up, oversized bungalow, it has a walkout basement and backs onto a pond. Once finished, this can easily become somebody's forever home. Double attached garage. We're walking here through the main living area. You see it's a bit dated with the hardwood. There is the sunken living area where the fireplace was, and taking us out towards the back, there is a deck that spans the full width of the house out onto the pond. Towards the back of the property as well, there is the master bedroom, or I should say primary suite, with the ensuite and walk-in closet, and 2 bedrooms over here as well, and a main floor laundry. So off the front door gets you in through the garage. We come in through the hall here would be the full main bathroom for the floor. Over here, laundry. And behind me, as I said, the 2nd and 3rd bedroom, which is really rare to find in a bungalow and great to find here in the northwest backing onto a pond with a walkout. Now let's take a look downstairs and we'll see some more features. There's something cool I'm going to show you about that garage again once we get downstairs. There's a really cool feature on the garage coming up that I'm going to show you here on this pre-tour. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to get more content like this, where we actually go through before and after on some fantastic renovation properties right here in Calgary. So with all the space that we have upstairs, you see that we've got quite a bit down here as well. Rec room, office downstairs. There's so many ideas that can happen. I'm really, really interested to see what they're going to be putting together. Mechanical room back here. And right behind this wall we'll come through, you'll see there's actually a full bathroom downstairs as well, which is going to be great. And room for 1 to 2 bedrooms as well. So games area, office, plus bedrooms, and a bathroom. Downstairs is going to be great. Really cool on this house, double attached garage. You can get to it from the main floor, but you also have garage access from the basement. And the real seller on this is really going to be this view. Now, you're taking yourself out this door. It's covered here. There's a gas line over there, so you can actually put your barbecue. So it doesn't matter what's happening with the weather. You'll be good to take in your barbecue in right off the kitchen and taking in your view over of the pond. Now, that deck, as I mentioned, runs the full width of the house. And because it's a walkout, it covers the lower level as well. So whoever's downstairs has the ability to be downstairs out towards the backyard. There's a chain link fence and the gate that takes you straight out. There's the ducks in the pond right now. This is just going to be gorgeous in the summertime. Can't wait to see this when it's all done. So if you want to see more home transformations like this or want to follow along with this one, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell so you'll get it as soon as we post it. And if you have a property that needs some TLC or you know of one, we always have investors who are looking to pick them up. So, hey, leave us a comment down below or you can contact me directly. All of my contact information is in the description. Happy to have you along on the journey. My name is Drew, and I'll catch you in the next video.